Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make golden river mocktail. Take a shaker glass and add some ice cube. Then you have to pour like 180 ml or 240 ml of apple juice. You can add. After that, you have to add 20 ml of honey. Then you have to add 15 ml of peach syrups. This is the sweet mocktail. And after that you have to add 15 to 20 ml of lime juice. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Just shake well. And you have to take, okay, I'm taking on cooling glass. After that, pour all the ingredients into the cooling glass. You can see that golden river mocktail is ready. You can serve the mocktail with straw and stirrers. You have to garnish with apple slices and garnish with mint spring. Okay, thank you for watching my video.